Hello, if you want to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G by using the recovery mode, what you need to do is use the USB cable and connect your Samsung to your computer. So once you plug it in, what you need to do now is turn off your device. So you want to press and hold the power button or the side button to show the power menu and then power it off. Once the device is off, you might need to wait for the device to show the charging information. Otherwise, we might need to repeat the combination of keys, which is not really convenient. So let's patiently wait for the device to show up the battery charging info. So you might see this lightning strike icon at first. And there we go. Once you see the percentage of the battery, now we can proceed. So the next thing to do is press and hold the power button and volume up button at the same time. We want to press and hold them. But once you see the Samsung logo, you want to release the power button, but keep holding the volume up button. There we go. So release power button, keep holding volume up. And we should be soon in recovery mode. There we go. Now we can release volume up. And in order to perform the hard reset, we need to scroll down using volume down to choose wipe data / factory reset. So you want to use volume down in order to find this option. If you skipped it, then you can use volume up in order to go up. And in order to confirm this option, we need to press the power button once again. So select this option and then confirm that you want to do the factory data reset. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.